Hey guys, this is Michael. I'm trying to do a different way with shelving. There's lots of different ways to do it, but I put these brackets up every other stud, and I'm trying to do something a little different, make it stronger. But by the way, I got these from woodworkerexpress.com, and they're pretty cheap, but they're really strong brackets. You can get a good price. I put a 2x2, looks like a ledger board on the back. And then I cut these, I just have some scrap wood. You can use whatever you got. But I cut them the same length as your bracket. And you'll see where I'm going with it, but you can even make it longer if you wanted to. Just depends what you want to make. But put all these on here. And then I'm going to use the same 2x2, and I'm going to run it across the front of it. So I installed these pieces of wood across the brackets. I screwed them from the bottom going up, and then added this board to the front all the way down. And I just nailed it in. And then later on I'll do this bracket up top here. This is about a 21-inch bracket. I got them from Woodworker Express. These are about $6. That's the best price I can find. So then after you get this done, you can just cut any board you have and put on there for a shelf. I had some scrap OSB, so that's what I'm going to use. About a 2-inch overhang, but that should be plenty for what I'm going to use it for. Wonder how strong it is. Well, that should be plenty strong enough for what I'm doing here. And that's about it. Thanks for watching my video. That's it.